There's 3 cameras. I don't know which one I'm supposed to be looking at.
We didn't film anything.
Nothing.
But
I filmed a little bit, like 30 seconds.
I mean, oh. Oh. Yo, so what's up, guys? So, sorry about this. This video is kind of all over the place. I just wanted to jump in real quick and let you guys know what was going on. We were at work today and we were super busy to begin with. We didn't have much time to get everything done on the car, so we kind of like just jumped right into it. Me, Anthony, Eric, all of us had hands on something, and we I was trying to film and I put the phone down, and then a bunch happened, and I picked the phone back up, filmed something, someone needed my help, a bunch happened. So video's kind of all over the place, but I still wanted to post it up because I just want to keep everybody, or kind of like progression of the build on the Kouki, and I don't want to like skip around and then you guys see it in a couple videos from now and it's completely different than when you've seen it last. So after work today, my coilovers wheels finally came in. I ordered them like a month ago, 2 months ago, whatever. They finally showed up today, or they showed up yesterday, I believe. So took them to work today. We mounted tires and we just got right into it. I've been waiting to do this for a while. I think it like needed to be done as soon as possible. It looked ridiculous without wheels and coils on it with that kit. So we jumped into it. Me, Anthony jumped into the coilovers, ripped it all apart, had everything off and back on in like maybe an hour. Also with trimming the fender and doing the wire tuck so the wheels didn't rub or anything like that. It is pretty low, as you can tell. I love the way it looks, but it took me like 45 minutes to get in my driveway, and I got stuck about 14 times, and I'm sure my neighbors are super happy. I'm out there like pushing the car, doing burnouts, trying to get over the sidewalk. Oh my goodness, I forgot what it was like to drive a slammed car. I've never had a car this low. This thing is like, it drives perfect, alignment's great, it drives straight as an arrow. Can't go full lock. It's rubbing on the metal part of the inner fender, so either gonna have to lift the car up a little bit. Looks like it needs like 1 inch to clear completely. I don't want to go that high, so I don't want to, but I might trim out the inner fenders, make the wheels fit. It's gonna get an angle kit anyway, so that's gonna have to get trimmed eventually. I might trim it out and then do like tubs later on when I do the motor swap or whatever. But I would love to keep it as low as it is right now, still be able to drive it and go full log, hit bumps and get in my driveway and all that stuff without completely destroying the car. But it like literally was like, oh, it was a nightmare. That was an absolute nightmare. I didn't get home till like 10 o'clock, and it's like, it took me 45 minutes to figure out how to get the car in the yard without ripping the bumpers and shit off of it by myself, me and Lexi, and it was bad. But let's get right into the video. This is very short, but hope you guys enjoy it. If you're watching this, make sure you hit that like, subscribe. We're trying to grow this channel and just trying to make something out of it. It'd be cool if we hit 1,000 subscribers. If not, it's cool too, but the more we get, the better it gets. It'd be cool to make something out of YouTube one day, like everybody else. But let's get into it, man. Slim Jim at?
I just had it somewhere.
Oh, it's on the trunk? I get it. Oh, yeah. What? Whoa.
Oh, inside, yep.
Whose wheels are those, dude?
Yours.
Oh,
Yours.
dang, dude. I didn't know you done cracked into them.
Get them out.
Come on, you jackaloon. Whoa, don't mess those threads up, bud. If that brake fucks up from now on, it's your fault.
I loosened it. Thank you, man.
Whoa, dude, chill. So we're about to slap the cameras on her, and we're gonna, I don't have any adjustable arms, just coilovers, so just the camera and tow is adjustable for now until the arms come in. But I wanted to get this done. We tucked the wire harness in the fender so it doesn't rub through. I need to check that real quick and make sure we're good on there, but she's a unit of a machine. Yeah. we're gonna get some better shots here in a minute. But yeah, looks good. I give a huge shout out to these guys over here. We got Eric, the coilover guru guy, and we got Antoine Dirty Bird Jackson. But appreciate you guys. Also want to give a big shout out to AJ over at AJ's Tires in Orange City. He let us, you know, use the shop tonight and do the alignment and everything else. So, you know, that's really nice of him. He didn't have to do that, but he always helps us out when we need something like this. So, huge shout out to Bub. Appreciate it, buddy. If you're watching this, thank you. So yeah, I don't know. Sorry we didn't get a whole bunch of like, you know, filming in. We were just like balls deep and just everybody had tools in their hand. We were trying to get it done. We did it all in like, what, 2 hours? 2.5 hours? Something like that. So, I don't know. I think it came out great. I did not like the kit 100%. You know, when it was stock height, stock wheels. But what a unit, dude. It looks really good. So, I got to do a little trimming, little massaging, but it does look fantastic. It just gives me more motivation to get everything else done. And it looks great. I really like it. Those wheels, I like those wheels a lot. Had them on my Zanky too. You remember that? What? Those are the same wheels I had on the Zanky. Yeah, the one I got from you and Justin. But we're gonna cruise up to the store real quick and grab some petrol and get some looks at it and some light. Oh yeah, so future Chris here again. So after all those clips, me and Anthony went up to racetrack to get some gas in 240. So the test drive went good. It was a little sketch. Like I don't want to break the kit, and it was already repaired once, and I don't want to like ruin it again. But fenders, there is like a credit card of clearance at when you turn the wheel. The wheel like hits the fender. If you're turning, you hit a bump, the fender's going to explode. So unfortunately, I don't know. I think the car is going to have to go up a little bit. I don't want to, but I'd rather it be safe and be able to drive it without worrying about destroying the car. And you can't get those fenders anywhere else. They're matching B-Magic fenders for that kit. And if those break, I'm going to be pissed off. So I think the car is probably going to have to get lifted a little bit tomorrow. It's still completely stock suspension. It just has coilovers on it now. The alignment actually came out pretty good for stock arms everywhere. It was pretty good. It has a lot of camber in it right now. I had to roll the fenders in the rear. So, I mean, it's good. Like clearance and everything is good now, but I am going to do extended lowers and angle mods, all that stuff in the front. So it's going to bring, you can see like in the video and the pictures, you can see a little bit of gap. So obviously when I pull the control arms out, it's going to throw a bunch more camber. I'm going to try to just keep it tucked up against that fender, and did good. It literally drives, it drove like shit before because the struts and everything were blown. Everything was all over the place. It drives really good now. I got to figure out something though. The power window stopped working on the way, or the other day. Blower motor, power motors, window motors. So if you guys know, like, I checked all the fuses good. So yeah, the blower motor for the AC isn't working at all. You can hear the compressor and everything kick on, so it's getting signal, but no power to the blower motor, and the windows stopped working, and the sunroof stopped working. So what control, if all the fuses are good, what controls that? If you guys know, have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. That'd be cool. But yeah, the car looks sick. Hope you guys liked it. I really dig it now. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I pulled the stock OEM Kouki stuff off and put the kit on, I kicked myself in the ass because I'm like, oh, this thing it looks like shit. But with proper stance and coilovers on it and that kit, kind of aggressive. So we have a couple more things before it goes to paint. I gotta get started on the body work. So I'm going to order the speed panel for the roof, delete the sunroof because it's junk, and I can't find one in the state of Florida. I tried, and either they're broken, someone's selling them for parts, or they're like $1,000. So I don't know why they're so expensive, but I'm just gonna fuck it. I'm just gonna delete it. It is what it is. The car, I mean, it's super aggressive as it is, and I think that like speed panel rivet look in the roof would look pretty cool. I'm gonna figure out some kind of spoiler. Looks good without one, but it's so aggressive now. I think it would look really good with like a Big Country Labs wing or something. D-Max hood. So I might fix the hood I have, because I'm gonna cut it up anyway for a vent. I don't know. There's a lot going on, little by little, though. I gotta take a break from it. It's the holidays. I gotta get caught back up on money and bills and all that stuff. So I don't know. Maybe it'll probably be on hold. You guys probably won't see another video on a build progress probably for a month or so. Just gonna take a little break, spend some money and some time with the kids, or the daughter, and the old lady, and just kind of get caught up on everything and then get back into it. Maybe at the beginning of the year or so. But big plans, and tossing around the idea of like 2J. So I think I'm pretty stuck on doing 2J swap now and that. So I think it'd be cool. I think that's what I'm gonna do. 2JZ, want something, I don't know if I get a GTE or get an NA and do like NAT. I don't know. There's a lot going on, but all right, guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, like, comment, all that good stuff, and get back to you. And hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Let me know if there's something you think I should change or not do or do. Let me know. Just trying to grow something out of nothing. So your input's always helpful, and I appreciate your time.